This screen capture is for creating text in Adobe Photoshop. Have Photoshop open, and we need a file. So File, Open, Control and O. Find the photo that you want to edit, open it in Adobe Photoshop. Crop tool at the moment, first thing I do to most photos. I'm going to then go to my text tool instead. Tap on my text tool, a little arrow in the bottom. It means that it has multiple, so double tap and hold, horizontal type, vertical type mask tool, and horizontal type mask tool. Start with a vertical type tool. That means we're going to go down the page. Command line, once I've tapped on my text, I have all the things affect. One now is going up and down, and it starts at the top or set it to the top. Up, it's 22 point Trajan color. That one there, because I've got a black and white photo. Because you're creating a brand new layer, and we haven't talked about layers, I haven't got my layers up, so I need to hit hides my layers. Show my layer, hide my layer. F7. So that's a layer. I've got a layer there. That's my background layer. It's locked at the moment. Vertical text, 100 point. Tap there. Now, even though I've got the color as red over here, it's going to come out as gold. I'm going to put in my first layer of text. Went off the page, so I lock it in by ticking. Now, I can't hit enter to finalize a command on this because enter in text is used to start a new line. Because it's a layer over here, I can then double tap on that and that's completely edited. So I'm going to use my move tool, the top tool, and I'm going to move it up. If I move it right to the edge and up, it fits. Now with my move tool, I can use my arrow keys down the bottom of the keyboard to little incremental moves, arrow keys. So I'm going to move it in a little bit like that, leave it at that. I can come over here, change to horizontal instead of vertical, put in, and to lock it in I need the end, and that's now locked. Because it's a layer over here, and double tap on it, makes it editable to a different color of one of the letters. And I'll go to my move tool, double tap on it, and move it to where I want, and tick it, locked in.